Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at a recent arrival. This one, an Imagine 3100 RD. Going to show you a couple features that are new to this one this year. And we're going to start off right away with a couple that are hidden in the front storage bay. So you're currently looking at a solar charged controller. So this one does come solar equipped. You've got a single solar panel on the roof. You got your solar charged controller here. That's going to keep your battery charged while you're off grid if you're away from power source. Another nice feature that we have here is that this one is pre-prepped for tire pressure sensors. So if you're concerned about that level of safety, as it's a nice feature to have, you can install your tire pressure sensors into the tires of the trailer and you're all set to go. And it'll all work right through your app on your phone. New front design on the 3100 RD. All the Imagines this year come with this new graphic package, a little bit of an update. We like the old stuff. You can see it right there, still very beautiful. The Imagine logo is updated and a little bit of the graphic markings as well. Nice big awning on this one. 3100 RD was my first favorite trailer. I really like this one. Great couples camper, but some options for some sleepovers as well. You can see the little slide in the back here. And there's another opposing slide. You'll see that when we get inside. So again, this one, a couples camper, the Imagine line. A couple updates this year that we've already touched on, but we're going to look at some new things on the inside as well. So the 12-volt fridge you'll see as soon as we walk in is a Furion fridge. So that running off your 12-volt line is going to give you a little more space because there's no propane option. So that's all electric. Stepping back here, take a look at this table. You've got the option to spin that table around so you can seat four there. We've got one of the chairs out now. It does come with four chairs. Two of them will fold up and stow away. One of them's tucked under the bed right now. But that gives you the option to just have two people sitting here, or if you want to spin that table around, you can get out that extra chair and have four around the table. My favorite thing about this though is right here, it's your living space. You've got couches on either side, both of which are trifold, so those will fold out and fill up this nice big floor space that you have here. Coming around here, you take a look at the recliners. Thomas & Paine theater seating. Take a seat and have a look at this beautiful TV, fireplace, and of course your entertainment center is plumbed in there behind that smoked glass. So again, these will open up to create some extra sleeping space if you do have company come along or someone drop by. You've got storage on either side, and you've got all this floor space if you don't need it, because you've got this great social entertaining space as well. So that's nice. Another favorite feature, this one, is these nice big pantries that you see in the Imagines. All kinds of room in there to keep anything you need while you're on the road for a while. The kitchen space has nice storage below as well. Pots and pan drawers, some drawers there to the left. Storage above. Nice high-end cabinetry, solid wood cabinets on these ones. New pulls on all the drawers and cupboards this year. A little smoother finish to them. Here's your sink. Nice high-rise faucet with the roller top. More storage below. On either side, you've got drawers and cabinets above, and some good counter space here as well. And if you need a little more, there's always this nice little extension. Coming into the back of the camper, this is the main bedroom. Storage above. Shirt closets on either side with a couple drawers. We saw this update last year. Take a look there. You've got your charging station, little spot there to keep your phone and anything else you want to keep charged next to your bed, and you've got one of those on either side. You've got the blue and white lighting above and the padded headboard as well. And even more spots here to keep some clothes, anything you need with you while you're away, a little wardrobe there as well. Windows on either side of this one so you can get your cross breeze, nice and comfortable. One of the things we like really a lot about the Imagine is this pitch ceiling, a little bit of a coach finish to it. It's hard to pick it up in the video, but that does have a little bit of a curl to it so you can get a little extra height. Take a quick look at the bathroom before we wrap things up. There's your nice double wide shower with a skylight. Foot flush toilet. Cabinet above, spot there to store your linens. Sink, medicine cabinet, little storage bit underneath there. You've got some drawers and cupboards as well. So really all kinds of space in there to keep a few things in the bathroom. So again, this one will run off solar power. Will keep your battery trickle charged in the front. So you have the option to camp off grid a little bit with it. You can add a second solar panel to it and a second battery if you want to extend that life. But from what they're telling me, you can get 2 or 3 days off-grid camping out of this one just as it is. So there's a look around. This has been the 3100 RD. Come on down here to see us at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam, Sis, or our friends up at Moncton. Have a look at this one. We'll find a trailer that's just for